Imagine getting on a spacecraft headed for Mars and knowing deep down you're never coming back. At first, it sounds like something out of a movie, a bold mission, a historic step for humanity. But this isn't science fiction. This is the reality every future Mars astronaut has to face. And the reason isn't what you think. It's not the rockets. It's not the technology. It's your own body. A journey to Mars isn't just long, it's brutal. We made it to the moon in 3 days. Mars? That takes 6 to 9 months one way. That means you're gone for years, not weeks, not months, years. And during that time, everything about your body is pushed beyond anything humans have ever experienced. But distance is just the beginning. Mars is so far away that even a simple message takes over 20 minutes to reach Earth. Think about that. If something goes wrong, no one can help you. There is no emergency rescue, no quick return. If you get sick, the nearest hospital is 8 months away. You are completely on your own. But here's the part most people don't realize. The real danger isn't the distance. It's what slowly starts happening inside your body. On a Mars mission, your body is forced to adapt to 3 completely different worlds. First, total weightlessness during the journey. Then, Mars itself, where gravity is only about 1/3 of Earth's. And if you somehow try to come back, you'd face full Earth gravity again. Each one of these is a shock to your system. But combined over years, that's something we still don't fully understand. What we do know is already terrifying. Your body was built for Earth. Every step you take here, every movement is shaped by gravity. Take that away, and your body starts to change. Slowly at first, then faster, then permanently. Astronauts on the International Space Station already experience this. After just 6 months in space, many of them struggle to walk when they come back. Their bones weaken, their muscles shrink, their hearts lose strength. And that's after being just 400 kilometers from Earth with constant support and rescue options. A Mars mission lasts years, with no way out. But it gets worse, because while your body is weakening, something invisible is attacking you every second. Radiation. On Earth, we're protected. Our atmosphere and magnetic field block almost all harmful cosmic radiation. But in space, that protection is gone. You're exposed constantly. Over a Mars mission, the radiation dose can be hundreds of times higher than what you'd experience on Earth. And it doesn't just make you sick, it changes you. Your DNA gets damaged, your risk of cancer rises, your brain can be affected, memory, focus, decision-making. Even your eyes can start to fail. And the worst part, you might not notice it right away. It's slow, quiet, but permanent. And while that's happening, your body is physically breaking down. Without gravity, your bones start losing density, about 1 to 3% every month. That might not sound like much until you realize what that means over time. After a year, you could lose over 1/3 of your bone mass. After 2 years, you could lose half. That's not just weakness, that's fragility. Bones that could break under normal pressure. Bones that might not be able to support you anymore. Your muscles follow the same path. Without gravity, they don't need to work as hard, so your body starts getting rid of them. Legs, back, core. The exact muscles you need to stand, walk, and move on Earth. Gone. Even with daily exercise, astronauts can only slow this process. They can't stop it. And then there's your heart. Your heart is a muscle. On Earth, it constantly works against gravity to pump blood upward. In space, that pressure disappears, so your heart adapts. It shrinks. It becomes weaker. Studies show it can lose up to 20 of its mass during long missions. Now, imagine bringing that weakened heart back to Earth. Suddenly, it has to fight gravity again, push blood upward, work harder than it has in years. There's a real chance it simply can't. And this is where everything connects. Radiation is damaging your cells. Your bones are becoming brittle. Your muscles are fading. Your heart is weakening, all at the same time, for years. So what happens if you try to come back? You land on Earth. Gravity hits you again, full force. Your bones might not hold your weight. Your muscles might not support you. Your heart might not keep up. Even standing up could cause you to collapse. Not because you're tired, but because your body no longer knows how to live here. And that's the terrifying truth. After years on a Mars mission, you're not the same anymore. You're not built for Earth anymore. You've changed, at a fundamental level. In a way, you've become something else. Something adapted to survive away from Earth, but no longer capable of returning to it. And that's why, for the first people who go to Mars, this isn't really a round trip. It's a one-way journey. Not because we can't build better rockets, but because we can't rebuild the human body. And maybe that's the most unsettling part of all. We've always believed we can go anywhere, explore anything, conquer any frontier. But Mars reminds us of something we don't like to admit. We don't belong everywhere. Some places, no matter how much we want them, were never meant for us.